Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Delta Force Black Hawk Down. Let's get started. First, click on the link in the description below to open the download page. Once there, click on Download for Windows. Wait for the launcher to download completely, then double-click the installer. When prompted, click Yes to allow the installation. Next, select your preferred installation folder and click Install. Wait for the launcher to finish installing, then click Launch. After launching the launcher, click on the Garena logo. You'll be prompted to enter your account details or create a new account if you don't have one yet. Log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, click Download and select your installation folder for the base game. Then hit Download again to start downloading Delta Force Black Hawk Down. Once the base game is downloaded, navigate to the Black Hawk Down tab in the launcher. Click Download to install the Black Hawk Down update. Wait until the update is fully downloaded. After the update is complete, click Launch. Then click on Black Hawk Down to open the game. Now, you're all set to play Delta Force Black Hawk Down, and that's it. By following these steps, you should have Delta Force Black Hawk Down up and running on your PC. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button